Okay, today I will be showing you how to make a very annoying loud screamer. Okay, the materials is scissors, any kind of scissors, doesn't matter. Okay, just a regular sheet of paper. You get the sheet of paper, then you just cut from about here. You cut straight down. You stop right about there. Then a little more up, right there. Then you just cut straight down. Okay, you have to be perfect. Okay, you fold it in half, then you just cut one triangle. Then you cut the other side off. Then you cut one more triangle. Okay, about like that. Okay, then you want to get this edge right here, and then you just fold straight down to the bottom crease. And you want to do the same thing to the other side. Fold down, crease. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you how to use it. You see it? Okay, you open it back up. It goes like this. You see the top part? Stick it in between your fingers like that. Then you can open like that. You leave a little space in between. Then put it on your mouth and blow like this. Well, that's about it.